okay. It's okay. It's because you were in the way, Minna. You weren't moving too fast. Okay. Alright. Anyways, this was very fancy of them to have wine glass. But I had to move it away because kids, you know. But yeah, they do have a microwave and they have a fridge, and the fridge is big. I was told that this used to be a studio apartment. That's why every rooms are like this. Yeah. Although there are rooms that has 2 bedrooms. I think that's what I heard. Midnight, eat your banana. Don't leave it on the table. Pick up your banana, Midnight. 싫어? 알았어. 엄마 오늘만 해줄게. Put it on the table, okay, Midnight?
So the moment I lost them was after they were doing the swing together, right? I took Midnight out first, but he was running. He's running fast now, I don't know if you noticed it, but he runs pretty fast. And like, when I was taking Twilight out, her thing was stuck, so I was trying to open it. But I realized Midnight was going really fast, so I was trying to catch up to him and leave Twilight, but then I was like, no. So I opened it, and then she's free, and then I realized he was going to the slide area, so I was like, oh maybe I'll just have fun there. And then, and after I took Twilight out, she was in the green looking, green slide. There's 2 different playgrounds, 1 and 2, right? And then she was using the green one, and I was like, she was having fun, so I was just letting her, if I was in the middle, so they can enjoy. I thought maybe I could try this, right? Be in the middle, and so they can do their own thing. And then, that was a bad idea. Never do that again. No. Yeah, they just go. Well, actually, they went on a different side. So I told Twilight to come over here, so she came over to where I was because I wanted her to be with Midnight. But then Midnight disappeared out of nowhere when I told Twilight to come to where I am. That's when I was like, what the heck? Where's Midnight? And then next thing you know, Midnight went on like the other side, and then just went like this around here. That's why I couldn't see him because he's so small. And then Twilight decided to go to where the seesaw area is, and so she was just playing there, and I was like, okay, just watch the bus. So I was watching Twilight while I was looking for Midnight, and then I noticed that the kids were like, oh, there he is, and so I was like, wait, okay. So I ran to, he saw me that I was trying to find him, so he tried to hide. He went to an area where there's like something blocking her, so he went there. I'm like, are you serious? So right when I went there, Twilight was missing, and I was like, are you serious? Like, 괜찮아. And then I was like, oh my god, where's Twilight? And Lily and a couple noticed that, and they were like, she's in the water, and I'm like, oh my god, I put Midnight, put him. I had no time to buckle him. That's why I couldn't buckle him. I had no time to buckle him. As soon as I got there, Twilight was in water. It reached her butt, her butt. And I was just like, I was about to have a mental breakdown, and so I couldn't even like buckle Midnight. I was just like, and I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Like, no one's helping me. They were just watching too. So I was just like, but I'm kind of glad no one helped, because it would make me look like a bad person too for not going after Twilight, right? But then again, Midnight. Like, what if Midnight like leaves the stroller? And yeah, I couldn't do anything. So that was.
Comes in the water with you.
Yeah.
We're ready to go. Yeah, it was really easy, very easy to check out. By the way, they have 2 bicycles in this, in their lobby, and I asked them if you have to rent, do you have to pay to rent, and they said, no, it's free. I was like, ooh, okay. There's 2 of them. They have helmets too. But we're going, so it's 9:25 a.m. I'm gonna go home now. Oh, by the way, there's no Pokestop here. No Pokestop around here.
Check. I figured there would be.
Yeah, you think so, but there's really no Pokestop. Maybe over there, but you can't even reach it.
It's surrounded by Pokestops.
I wonder what they're building here, but I didn't think they'd see this closed last time. Maybe there wasn't construction going on, but yeah, they're doing something here.
Wait, the construction company's called Oh No?
Oh no! Oh no, construction.
Oh no.
What? Why? I mean, I guess that catches people's attention, like you. Oh no. Schultz Farm. I know this place because of Gina and you. They don't look open, but they're open.
I
Okay.
don't see any corns.
So they have all these signs.
Pumpkins. They don't have corns. They have pumpkins.
No, they have a thing in
Apples.
there. I'll have to ask.
Okay, how do you want it?
Just park, like right, just park anywhere, I guess, and I'll find.
Just all parking.
Oh, so it is like a small market. Okay. Oh, I see the corn. That's a lot. Corn. Okay, see, please pick silk side first. Oh, okay, silk side. Check your corn here. Hope I'm doing this right. 50 cents each? Is it? 50 cents?
Off we go. See, the watermelon? Whoa, those interesting.
Yeah, guys. 15 corns were only $7.50. Very cheap. They were 50 cents each. We don't have a big axe family to get more corn, so we just got 15. And yeah, my husband has a meeting at 10:30. It's 10:14 right now.
I got all eligibility checks.
Midnight, the shark goes into the ocean. Yeah.
눈 아픈데 거꾸로 입었어 맨날. 거꾸로 입었어. You wore it wrong. 맨날 other side. 맨날 this foot goes to that shoe. This shoe goes this way midnight.
We got the corn from Schultz Farm. Yeah, it was a good drive. It was like on the way to my sister-in-law's house too, so it was interesting that I was not that far from her place. So she wants to, she could get it. But I'm not sure if they set the card, but I remember paying what was cash. Yeah. So there are a lot of things there, and look, you guys, the corn is so clean. Okay, there's that one mark here. I used the chopstick, so don't think. Yeah, so thanks to Gina and me for suggesting this place. So yeah, I like to help small local business as much as I can, because if I was them, I would want people to support small local business. So if this is good, I want to buy more. Yeah, well, we do want to eat more, but wait until 5 p.m. looks like 5, but my husband's work all day, so busy. So
You guys, the corn is so good. Oh my god. I'm so happy I went there. It's so good. It's worth the wait. Is it hot? Yeah? It's good when it's hot midnight. Take a bite. I don't think he's allergic to corn anymore. I think it was just, because he can't digest it well. So hopefully he'll show up better. I think that was just it because he can't digest it really well. Anyways, I'm watching Shameless while eating corn. Give one for Appa. Yeah? Is it good, Twilight? 맛있어? This matches your dress. Midnight, no, finish your corn. Midnight, finish your corn, okay? Yeah, you gotta eat your corn first and then you can eat more. Finish it, okay? here? What is that? Open it. Yes, Blippi. Midnight, it's Blippi. What? Your very own Blippi doll? I also got this for my phone. It's mine. Mine. Not yours. You lost so much baby face, Midnight. Open it, Midnight. You kind of not look like Blippi, but whatever. They're not trying to make it look like exactly like Blippi. I think they're trying to do a cartoon version of Blippi. I mean, there is a cartoon version. Midnight, it talks. Midnight, Blippi talks. What? That's so cool. Blippi actually talks. Oh, KO. Hey, look. Yeah, Blippi mo pa. Midnight. 거기서 먹어? 여기서 안 먹어? Like sitting on there? Neat. Yeah. Did you notice that Midnight sitting on there?
엄마 뽀뽀. 엄마 뽀뽀. 엄마 뽀뽀. 민아 엄마 뽀뽀. 엄마 뽀뽀. 아유, thank you. Thank you, 민아. So we're just waiting for our DoorDash and Uber Eats. I was gonna make something for dinner, but I just like today will be that day too. Because my husband's going somewhere tomorrow, so. Yeah. Where's your nose? Yeah. Where's your ears? Oh, okay. I ordered kimchi buchingge and bibimbap and tteokbokki. That's a lot of food. Yours should. What did you get again? What did you get? Okay, that's yours then. 25%. I got one for Midnight. You want fin? I want making fin. W? Tyler's eating it. Yeah, 4.
What letter? Yeah, good job, Midnight. Tyler, you better finish that. Lupa. I like how they added the Lupa out. Lupa. Mama. Lupa, kimchi. What's that? Lupa. Twilight. But they didn't have bean sprout last time. So Twilight's like picking them out. It's such a good choice. What letter? Yeah. What's next? What letter? H. No, I mean H. Yeah. Looks like an eye. What letter? What letter? Yeah. Nice face, Midnight. Midnight, go now. What's this? Yeah, R.
Do you like it? Do you like it, Midnight? It's let's see, honeydew with Yakult, 50% sugar. So it's good, and it tastes good. Yeah, I thought I'd get something for Midnight because I don't want him to be like taking my drink when it's like tea in it, you know? But this is a smoothie. It was good. I like that they ask you how much sweetness you want. Look at Midnight. I feel bad for Midnight. He banged his hand on the wall really hard. My baby.
Yeah, so today was interesting, very interesting. Only because checking out of the hotel from Bellevue Square is just like very interesting because we never ever stay in the night at Bellevue. So that was really interesting. Really liked our stay there. The floors were creaking a lot and the doors were creak as well. So it would make a lot of noise when we closed the bathroom door, and when our kids were sleeping it was a bit of a bothersome, but everything was great. Like it felt like a home Airbnb style, so that was nice. Yeah, and it was really nice to buy corn. We are like 2 more left. I bought 15 of those. Oh, we already finished it. My goodness. Anyways, yeah, so the moth came in and I cannot believe I ran ahead of Midnight and he was terrified. I could have picked him up, but I just hate big moth because it was so big. It was bigger than a quarter size. Anyways, thanks for watching my video, guys. Love you too. This is size medium. I wish you were large. It's H&M, you guys. So pretty. It's not the color. It reminds me of my sister, and I want Twilight to wear something that reminds me of my sister. But oh my gosh, do I want to? Where's Indigo? Oh my god, nice. I like this one better than this one. No. Wait, isn't he not moving? Wait, he just walked? What? Is it broken? But damn, this is huge! What the heck? Over there. Oh, this is new. I don't remember seeing this. Okay. Inside, and it has smoke coming out of it. That was really cute. Harmless. Hanging nurse. Try me? Oh my god. How vampire this is. Wow. And then, wait, what? 119? Cheating. Look at rooster, you guys. On the middle of the end, but I was falling asleep because my teeth were hurting, so